Story time. So, this is the damage that can be caused when a truck driver is not paying attention, and then you drag a 10,000-pound trailer across a 20,000-pound semi truck. That is the damage to my old truck from somebody not paying attention. So, imagine the damage it can cause to a very, very small vehicle that we already cannot see. Trucks have a ton of blind spots, and cars are very frequently in those blind spots. We cannot see you, and we for damn sure cannot hear those tiny ass little beeps that you're doing when you're about to die. Okay? This, you got to think. We sleep in these vehicles. They are very heavily padded. Unless you are directly on the side of me and I do not have anything playing, I honestly cannot hear you and I cannot see you. So what you should not do is, during traffic time, as a way to skip traffic, drive into the shoulder lane to try to get ahead of the really, really, really big truck. That is very dangerous, and a lot of you many times are already on the brink of death when you do that. Because what had happened today was a guy tried to do that, and I had no idea he was illegally in the shoulder, and he almost got smushed between the concrete wall that they put up for road work and my trailer. The only reason why I ended up seeing him, because I had no idea he was over there, is because I saw a bunch of smoke from him hitting the brakes so hard that he skid. And when I saw the smoke came out and I glanced into my mirror, he was about an inch away from having my entire 10,000-pound trailer. Actually, I was fully loaded right then, so I was about 78,000 pounds. So he almost got smashed between a concrete wall and a 78,000-pound trailer because he was a moron and decided to illegally drive in the shoulder. We cannot see you. Stop doing that.